guys, this will be the 6th episode in cars I can make from my plastic bottle here. Oral B Mouthwash that was. So we've done mousetrap, we've done fan powered, electric fan powered, we did rubber band, we did gravity, and then finally I did balloon power. So next on the list that I put there is catapult power. Right, so what do I mean by catapult power? Well, when we do catapult launch model aeroplanes, we have a stick with a rubber band on it and we flick it forwards. So that's what I have in mind. Need to put a hook on here of some sort, and then we'll just shoot it forwards. Something like that. I think the easiest thing is if I drill a hole straight down through the end here, put a bit of barbecue skewer in there to act as the hook, and then we can just attach the rubber band and flick it forwards. Right, just for fun, I've put a camera on top, a little mini camera, so we can ride along with it. Well, that works. Right, back the other way. So that works. So if somebody asks you to make a rubber band powered car, if they're not very specific about how to power it, you could do that, because that works. Very easy to make. If you want details of how the car's made, you'll have to look at the previous videos. Check the video description, there'll be plenty of links in there. Just very quickly, 4 CDs, plastic bottle, barbecue skewers for axles, and I've used my 3D printed hubs for the CDs to put the axle through, but you could use bits of cardboard stuck either side, put a hole through that, or bottle caps. Hot glue a couple of bottle caps either side and that'll do all the same job for you. And there's links in the video description to videos telling you how to do that. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.